Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming essentials and jumping straight into action. Make sure you have administrator access and any USB devices disconnected. Open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery. This is where sleep settings live. Once done, set screen and sleep to never temporarily so changes don't interrupt testing. You're preventing immediate sleep while diagnosing. Next, access additional power settings to switch plan options. This avoids wasted time and keeps you focused on the next diagnostic steps. Now diagnose the components that usually block sleep. Open Advanced Power Plan settings and disable hybrid sleep and hibernation if you don't need them. This prevents conflicts. Then check Device Manager. For network adapters and USB hubs, turn off Allow this device to wake the computer to stop unwanted wake signals. Run powercug/requests and then powercug/energy to generate a report of active blockers. Read the summary to identify drivers or apps that prevent. Finish by restoring sensible power settings. Either reset the current plan to defaults or create a clean custom plan with your preferred timeout. Update drivers flagged by the energy report or roll them back if a recent update caused the issue. Test sleep after each driver change. If problems persist, perform a clean boot or boot into safe mode to isolate third-party software. One key troubleshooting tip. Use powercug/lastwake and /waketimers to see what woke or is scheduled to wake the PC, then address that source directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.